What's up, everybody? So we've seen what's new with the Razr family. Now, let's take a look at what's new in Moto AI 2.0 in 2025. Should be good. We're good. Let's go.
Okay. So as we heard in the keynote, one of our biggest learnings from the beta was that users don't know where and how to find Moto AI or AI experiences in general on their devices. So we've integrated a few entry points for the user. The first one is this new AI key that's on the Razr 60 Ultra and the Edge 60 Pro. So when I long press this, I can see Moto AI automatically get activated. There's also a floating icon that I can choose to opt in and have on my device. So once I click on that, Moto AI pops up again. There's the usual search. So when I search on it, I can access Moto AI this way. And of course, there's the Moto AI app. So with the Moto AI app, you can see we have it broken down into two different sections. We have creativity and productivity. So with creativity, Image Studio is your one-stop destination for everything related to your imagination and bringing that to life. So with Image Studio, you can create an image, a sticker, you can sketch the image, you can do style sync, so you can take a picture of like a fun pattern that you see around, maybe it's your outfit, and make that your wallpaper. And then you can, of course, create an avatar. So let's do create an image. Would you have a description suggestion that I can use? It can be as fun, as creative as you like. I've been doing an elephant eating ice cream in Manhattan, so
I'm here for that.
Okay.
I'm here for that.
So that's a fun one. So let's do an elephant eating an ice cream in NYC. So I can choose the style that I like. I can choose the aspect ratio if I want this for a particular platform. So I'm going to do cartoon and generate image. So once I do this, it's going to create a few options for me to choose from. And I can choose the one I like best. So here we have an elephant in Manhattan eating some ice cream. I have a few options that I can choose from. And I can copy it, share it, save it, do what I want with it. So this is a fun way to bring any of my ideas to life and go from there. So next we can go into Playlist Studio. So this is another part of creativity where I can describe my mood and how I'm feeling to Moto AI, and it will generate a playlist for me. So how we
Meets emo.
meets.
Let's give it some real.
Let's do it. Yeah. Meets emo. We've been doing Sesame Street meets emo, and it did that, so I'm sure we're going to get that in. So we've got a few remixes in here, so I think we have Mr. Brightside Emo Fusion. So once I get that in, it is integrated with Amazon Music, so it's already created this playlist, and you have your one-of-a-kind playlist that you wouldn't find anywhere else. So it's...
I don't think a single person in the world is going to ask.
You never know.
Because clearly it's me.
But we got you. See, you're all covered. You can describe how you're feeling, and Moto AI will work to create a playlist that matches your mood. So whether you're studying, working, random mood, you need to listen to some music, we've got you there. So moving to the productivity section. With productivity, we're essentially hoping to just improve your daily life and, take the work off your back and let Moto AI do the work. So with Pay Attention, this is live transcription. So as I start recording, it will start transcribing what I'm saying and also provide me not only with just the transcript, a summary at the end as well. So if you start speaking, it will notice that you are speaker number 2 and separate according to that.
I wonder if that's actually the case. Oh, wow.
Yep. So it knows you are the other speaker. And once I stop, I will get the transcript. So I have the transcript here. And if I save this, I also see the summary. So I can save all of these for later time if I'm in an important meeting, if I'm having,
Sitting in a briefing like earlier.
Exactly. You just need all the notes. So this would have been super helpful then.
And then that gets saved to the journal, right, as well?
Yeah. So this gets saved into, your notes section. So next we have Remember This, which is one of my favorite features. I am known to take screenshots and save stuff all over my notes, but when I need it, I can never find it. With Remember This, everything is in one place. So visiting New York from Chicago, I know I want to try Joe's Pizza. Like that's something I knew I wanted to try when I was here. So I can put in, I want to eat Joe's Pizza. Oh my God. Can't type. Sorry. After the keynote. So I'm putting that in. I know I want to eat that after. So now once the event's over and I'm looking to figure out what I want to eat, I can just ask Moto AI, what did I want to eat?
There's a lot of
What
capabilities.
did I want to eat after the keynote? So I can ask Moto AI the question, and Moto AI will look through the memory to see what I have saved in the past and look for the question. So, doesn't have the answer. I think I spelled it. What did Hopefully that works because I noticed I had an extra space, but
Okay, you can punch the response.
yeah. You mentioned Joe's Pizzas. It was the one word, the one space that helped, but we can do another example as well. Yeah. So remember this. I can take a picture as well. So if I'm at a store, I like something, I can take a picture and save it that way. When I save it, I can add a note and say, this is the event in NYC. So at another day, if I ask what was in the event at NYC, it will pull up this image at another time. So you can take images or even upload screenshots. And moving on, we have Catch Me Up. So if you've had a long day, lots of meetings, or you're out and about, you can use Catch Me Up to catch up on your notifications. This phone is completely caught up on notifications, so we don't have any here, but it gives you a summary of all your notifications and actions like reply or call back right here, so you don't have to open those external apps.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.